Hey Morgan, what are you doing? Are you doing the dishes? Morgan, you're such a good helper. You're doing such a good job with the dishes. Yes, you are.
Water what, honey?
Off. Thank you for all your help, kiddo. Yeah, what do you want to do? You want to get rid of that? Oh, Mommy will grab that for you. That goes in the garbage. That's garbage.
Want Mommy to throw that away for you? Oh,
Yeah, that goes in the garbage.
Thank you, honey, for cleaning it out. That's what we do with the cat food in the morning, right, honey? We clean out the can.
Yeah, watch out though. It's sharp. Yep.
Thank you, Mommy. Mommy will put it. Yeah, that's sharp. Mommy's gonna put it in the garbage, okay? Yeah. Thank you for cleaning it out.
Yeah, you want to, no, don't drink from that one. That's the dirty mug. We'll get a clean one. Let's get a clean one for you, okay, kiddo? Thank you for all your help, Morgan. Yeah, it's fun working in the kitchen with you.